night, Penny.
What? I'm not sleeping here all in the night. Baby eyes. Baby eyes. La la la. La la la. Keep digging. Oh, hi guys. Welcome to Penny's Place. Today, this is the deepest snow ever in the whole entire world. There's been a lot of snowstorms. Then we can play in the snow when there's sun and like the summer a little bit. Yeah, and this part of my leg is freezing. And I'm playing with BBS over there. I'm playing with Apple over there. We're just walking right into me. So what are you doing? I need a dig. Okay. Yeah.
My hands are bleeding now. Can I go in, please? My hands are so cold.
This is the deepest snow. I cannot dig. I'll try to put it over here.
Penny, how deep is the snow after the snowstorm?
100 pounds because I cannot walk. I get stuck.
I'm gonna sleep with you.
So this will be good for the deep snow after the sun. Can you give me it? Here. Ah! Here.
It is.
Fun.
Baby eyes. Say hi.
Hi. I've read the snow. Now this is.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. To make it not a lie, so Bias won't cry. We should get some of the snow and put it in holes. Or throw in the hold on. What happened? No way. Yeah. I'm gonna flip it over now.
Hi, Penny.
Hi.
Hi, Leslie's.
Hi.
How was it?
Not good. I can't get up.
Told ya they really deep. Ah! Look at that. Ah! Come on. Here's my shovel.
What are you building,
I don't
Penny?
think this
A sand castle. A sand castle too. But since it's not snow, since it's not sand, I'm gonna just call it snow castle. Ah! And there was a snow castle. It's like putting sugar and we're making a cake, Mom.
Yeah. It's like good thing there's no school today.
Yep.
Or else this would have been a disaster.
Yeah.
You cannot even run, ate, no?
Yeah.
In school,
Or just
I think the playground over there, we're not gonna play there, and that's good for me because when we go in there for the summer, oh, it's so squished. There's so many kids. The playground is so small. Together.
It's knee deep. Yeah.
It covered my leg.
Yeah. How about you, Penny?
My legs are starting to freeze.
Look at me.
It's like Minecraft because it covers it.
Wow!
Wow.
This is how deep I dig. Ah! guys are going down. There's so much snow.
What are you doing?
I'm digging.
You digging? Let me see.
So hard. Look how deep.
Oh yeah.
Got frostbite.
What are you doing, Luis? Penny.
What?
Hey, why don't you lay down?
Lay down? No. No, I don't want to.
Yes.
No. No. Okay, guys. So I think we're done playing now, and I am covered at snow, and it's like so deep and like whoa. So subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Love God, love people, hate the bad stuff. Bye. Ate, what did you do that?
Good night, Penny.
What? I'm not sleeping here all in the night. Maybe I.